UNE internship at the Maine Celtics has been a really great experience. You learn a lot because you're a part of every aspect of the organization, not just as an intern, but as an employee. I'm specifically in the ticketing department, so I work directly with ticket sales, calls, clients, fans. I don't just strictly stay in ticket sales. I help other departments with what they need, counting inventory, setting up for a game. So that involves getting our group hats table and our concessions set up. We'll bring fans onto the court. So there's a lot of different little sizzles. This internship has prepared me for my future. I may not be someone who goes into ticketing, but I now have an understanding of what ticketing is and how vital it is to an organization like the Maine Celtics. There's a lot of different aspects of UNE that helps me in the future. The College of Business has done a really good job of cultivating an active culture. I'm not just a number, I'm an active participant and they know who I am. There's always opportunities to go on tours, going to shadow people, being able to be a part of different experiences, including the Super Bowl or the NFL draft, which I'm a part of, is really exciting. That's part of the reason why I came to UNE.